Okay guys, this is video 3 here, and we want to talk about the importance of tracking here on this video. The first video we talked about having a traffic source. Okay, the second video we talked about needing an offer, and the third video we want to talk about tracking. Now when you are doing internet marketing, the bottom line, you need a traffic source, you need an offer. And the way they work together is you need to identify your high converting offers and you match that with the traffic. And once you match the high converting offer with the traffic, that allows you to track what you're getting back when you're spending your money on your campaigns. Because if you don't know what keywords or what websites are giving you conversions, you're throwing away your money. Okay, you're going to lose a lot of money, you're going to lose your shirt, you're going to get frustrated, and all the above. Okay, so it's important to track. Bottom line, Walmart is not going to build a retail store in any market if they don't know the data before they start construction. They don't know that that area is going to make them profitable. They're not building the retail store. It's the same concept with internet marketing. Okay, same exact thing, right? So these are the two tracking systems that you need. You only need one of them, okay? CPV Lab is a paid one. It's 200 bucks a month. Don't even think about it if you don't have it. I'm going to set up Prosper 202, which is a free download. It's free and all that stuff. The only thing that you need is a domain name, okay? This is a business. You have to invest in your business, okay? Bottom line, if you have a domain name already with hosting, great. If you have a domain name that you're not using already, I'm sure some of you have already purchased several domain names that you're not using. So you can use one of those domain names already. That's great. If you don't have one, you need to go purchase a domain name, okay? Get hosting, okay? Once you do that, go retrieve your hosting account credentials. All right, I'm going to show you that here quickly. But essentially what these two things are, these are what the super affiliates use to track their data, to know where they need to cut their losses and where they need to scale up when things start to convert. Okay, so these are tracking systems. CPV Lab is a paid one. This is free, Prosper 202, and this is the one that I'm going to show you how to set up from scratch. It's going to require some steps. I'm going to do it within under 15 minutes. It just goes to show you that you can do it too. Okay, so bottom line, if you have more time than you do money, obviously spend time. If you have more money than time, obviously you can spend, if you want to, the money to outsource it to automate some things. All right, so let me just get right to it. Okay, first things first, what you need to do is you need to go to Google. Go type in Prosper 202 download. Okay, once you type in Prosper 202 download, it should be the first link here. It says download Prosper 202. Click that. Okay, it's going to bring you to a page like this. You should see the URL up here, prosper.tracking202.com/app/download. Okay, what you want to do is you want to click download. Once you click download, okay, I'm not going to click it because I already have it installed on my computer. Go to your folder on your computer, whether you have a Mac, whatever, PC. Okay, it should be in your download section. Okay, type search, type the word, Prosper, whatever. Should get a file like this, and it should be installed on your computer as a zip file. Okay, so that's one step. Okay, if you don't have a domain name, what you need to do is go to a place like Namecheap. This is the one I use. You can go here, or if you have HostGator, Bluehost, whatever domain registry that you want to use, you can use. In this case, I'm just using Namecheap because this is where I purchase my domain names from, okay, plus my hosting. So go here, get yourself a domain name. As I said, if you already have one already, that's great. If you have a domain name already, once you go into your email account, in this case I have a Gmail account, if I go up to the search bar and I type hosting, it's going to give me something like this with all my emails. Obviously, go to your hosting. You should have an email when you first purchase your domain name that says hosting account credentials. Okay, I've purchased several domain names. I have a couple, But in this case, this is my cPanel. This is my login credentials for my cPanel, okay, to one of my domain names that I purchased. You need, in this case, you need to copy, click this URL, okay? Click that URL. It's going to take you to a screen like this, okay? This is your cPanel. This is where your website is hosted, okay? This is where your data and all your information for your website is kept. So you need to take that username, take that password, log in to your cPanel. Once you log into your cPanel, okay, as I said, whether you have HostGator, Bluehost, Namecheap, all these things are literally the same. Once you get in here, okay, because you already have your domain name purchased, okay, in this case you're using one that you already have, go to File Manager. In this case I'm going to use this one. Once you go to File Manager, click Go. It's going to take you to here. You should see a screen just like this. Okay. Once you see this, what you want to do here from there, you want to hit Upload. Okay. Now once you hit Upload, you want to choose your file. Okay. In this case, like I said, you want to go to Downloads, go up to Search. Okay. You want to click highlight Prosper 202, open it up. Down here in the screen it's going to be starting to upload. You have to wait till it completes. Once it completes, okay, it's complete. Now you want to go back. Once you go back, what you want to do now is you want to hit reload. As you can see here, once I hit reload, Prosper's here. Now what you want to do from here, you want to go up to extract. First you want to highlight it, okay? Now you want to extract it. Okay, now you want to hit extract files. Okay, close this out. Okay, now you want to hit reload. Okay, once you hit reload, it's going to take you there. Now what you want to do, you want to go back to, okay, you want to go back to your dashboard. Okay, now what you want to do, now we have to install the database for Prosper. So now what you want to do, you want to go to MySQL database. Okay, MySQL database, click that. Once you get here, now what you want to do, the domain name that you used, in this case I'm going to use this one right here. 1 second here. Okay, 1 second here. Erased.com. Okay, so this is the domain name that I'm using. Okay, Erased.com. Create your database. Okay, go back. Okay, what you want to do now is you want to go down. Now you want to create a user name. Okay, in this case I'm going to create Married Marketing. It has to be 7 characters. Okay, so in this case I'm just going to do married. Okay, what you want to do now is create a password. Okay, create a password, create user. Okay, go back. This is the most important thing. Don't miss this because it's gonna make you seem like you didn't do it. What you have to do when you create the username, now what you have to do, because you added a username and the data, now you have to make sure this is highlighted. Okay, so you may have other usernames in here, but you have to make sure you highlight the one you just created. So in this case, this is the one that I just created. So now I need to hit add. Okay, what you want to do from here, you want to make sure you clicked all privileges. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to copy your data. You want to copy this, okay, your database name that you just created on top of your user and your password. So copy your database name, your user and your password. Now you want to go back over to the file manager. Okay, you want to go down here. Okay, 202-config-sample.php. okay, what you want to do here, you want to hit the code editor. Okay, hit the code editor. Okay, you want to hit edit. Okay, as I said, you want to retrieve the database, which is this one. Okay, go back over. You want to paste that here. Okay, go back over, get the user, go back over to the file. Okay, paste that here, and your password. You're seeing my password, but I will change this password by the time you watch this. Okay, so you have that there. Now you click Save Changes. Okay, successful change. Close this out. Now what you want to do here now is you want to rename this thing here. You can double click it, okay, or you can just do this right here. Always hit reload. After I save the changes, I hit reload. So now what you want to do is you want to go here. You can right click, okay, to rename it. What you want to do here, you want to erase sample. So it should read 202-config 202-config.php. Okay, hit that here, hit reload. Okay, now that's finished. It's done. Now we have to actually go set up our Prosper 202 account. So now you should have your hosting name, your domain name, okay, that we just installed, okay, on the cPanel. It should read exactly like this. Obviously, this is my domain name, but it should read just like this, your domain name /202-config-install.php. You take that, you copy that, okay? Copy that. Once you copy that, now it's going to take you, put that in your URL. As you can see here, this is what I input for mine. Takes me here. You should get a screen like this. Now all you need to do from here is simply put your email in. Okay. Go down, hit New York, username. Okay, and you install. And that's your information there. You click log in. And once you sign in, this is your login for Prosper. This is where you track all of your data. So we just set this up. Once I hit login, it's good. Okay, you're gonna get a pop-up. All you have to do is exit out of there, click all yeses here. Okay. You don't have to, but I mean, you know, they'll send you information. You're going to be doing this stuff, so it's good to have this. This is where the big boys play. So click yes, submit your answers. Okay. And boom, you have your tracking set up. So, and that's it, guys. I will see you in the next video, and you have just did one of the most important things. Like I said, if you didn't get this, go back and watch the video, and everything is here for you. No steps will not be missed, and set your tracking up, get your login stuff all ready and done so that we're ready to track, and I'll see you in the next video.